Your doors are more than entry points. They're a critical part of your home's overall security system. In Pasadena, where homeowners value both safety and curb appeal, upgrading to replacement doors can significantly strengthen your home's protection. If your current doors are older, worn, or builder grade, they may not offer the level of security your family deserves. Here's how modern replacement doors enhance home security while adding long-term value to Pasadena properties. Stronger materials for greater protection. Many older homes still have hollow core wood or aging entry doors. Over time, exposure to heat, humidity, and everyday wear can weaken these materials. Warping, cracking, or soft spots can reduce resistance to forced entry. Modern replacement doors are built with reinforced materials such as heavy-gauge steel solid-core fiberglass. Composite reinforced framed steel doors provide exceptional impact resistance, while fiberglass offers durability without warping or rotting. Both options create a much stronger barrier than traditional doors, making forced entry significantly more difficult. Reinforced frames and strike plates. A secure door is only as strong as the frame around it. In many break-in attempts, the door frame fails before the door panel itself. Professional door replacement includes reinforcing the surrounding frame and hardware. Installers may use heavy-duty strike plates, longer structural screws anchored into wall studs. Reinforced door jambs. These upgrades help ensure that the entire entry system, not just the door, resists force effectively. Advanced locking systems. Older doors often rely on a single deadbolt for security. While helpful, a single lock concentrates pressure in one area. Many modern replacement doors feature multi-point locking systems. These systems secure the door at multiple locations, typically at the top, center, and bottom, distributing force evenly across the frame. This makes prying or kicking the door open much more difficult. For Pasadena homeowners seeking greater peace of mind, this added security layer is a major advantage. Impact-resistant glass options. If your door includes glass panels or sidelights, choosing impact-resistant or laminated glass is essential for maintaining security. Laminated glass contains a durable interlayer that holds the glass together even if struck. Instead of shattering, the glass remains intact, making it far more difficult for intruders to break through. This allows you to enjoy natural light and decorative design elements without sacrificing safety. Proper fit eliminates weak points. Over time, doors can shift due to foundation settling or wear. Even small gaps around the frame can compromise both security and energy efficiency. A professionally installed replacement door ensures a tight, precise fit within the opening. Compression seals and high-quality weatherstripping create a snug closure that eliminates weak spots around the perimeter. In Pasadena's climate, this tight fit also helps block drafts and improve overall comfort. Compatibility with smart security technology. Replacing your door is also an opportunity to upgrade security technology. Many modern doors support smart locks with keypad or app access, video doorbells, reinforced peepholes, integrated security hardware. These features provide greater control over who enters your home and allow you to monitor activity in real time. Added curb appeal and property value. Security improvements don't have to sacrifice style. Replacement doors are available in a wide range of finishes, colors, and designs to complement your home's architecture. An upgraded entry door enhances curb appeal while signaling strength and quality, something potential buyers in Pasadena often appreciate. A smart investment for Pasadena homes. Replacing outdated doors is one of the most effective ways to improve home security. With stronger materials, reinforced frames, advanced locking systems, and proper installation, modern replacement doors create a powerful first line of defense. For Pasadena homeowners looking to enhance safety, comfort, and long-term value, investing in high-quality replacement doors provides protection you can rely on every day.